Welcome to Body Full of Joy. I'm LeeAnn, and this is your Joyful Minute. Have you ever noticed that it's hard to shift your body and emotions towards joy when you're super stressed, angry, or just feeling bad? That's because it's actually useful to come back to neutral if you're going to try to get to joy. In other words, the body can't quantum leap from feeling one thing that's really awful to feeling another thing that's really good. Now, it's possible to actually make this shift to neutral in your body using your physical posture and presence. Here's how it works. You can work with the length of your body, the width of your body, and the front to back depth of your body to start to create more space and let your nervous system settle down. So you might get a little taller, get a little wider, get a little bit deeper, meaning not lean forward or back, but really be over yourself and let yourself kind of expand front to back. And you'll find that this starts to create more space in your body. Once you've created this space, you can actually start to call in more joy from there, and it'll be easier to do. Now, I recommend doing this practice every day for 5 minutes, maybe 1 minute, a few minutes, and that will make it more easy to actually find this when you need it in the moment to come back to center. In the show notes below, I include a guided version of this practice and a few other resources. That's it for now. Thanks for coming to Body Full of Joy. If you like this video, check out the others in this series, and remember, move your body, love your mind.